Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Its colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color. Black color. 7. The numbers of 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. 10. The numbers of 10 and again use blue color. It's now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Green color. 12. The numbers of 12 and again use green color. Green color. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use brown color. Brown color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw 19 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids last draw 20 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.